Hey everyone, this is Natalie with Keyprint Co. and today we're going to show you how you can print your very own face mask at home. All you need are three things: our Face Mask SP kit, the Speedball at-home DIY screen printing kit, and some artwork that we got from Designer Mission. You can find the same artwork and a ton of others at the link down below. Let's get started. Alright friends, that's it for this video. Shout out to Designer Mission for providing some awesome free artwork for creators to use, and Speedball with their at-home DIY screen printing kit. If you make this mask yourself, post it on Instagram, tag us, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Bye guys.